Jane and Harry dance romantically in front of Waterfall. The couple move to a window and look out at the night sky. The couple dance in the mesmerizing moonlight. The couple stop to admire the view of the lake. They take romantic boat ride across the lake holding hands. They have a romantic dinner at a restaurant where they share a romantic moment over a glass of wine. They engage in a romantic dance played at the restaurant. They glance each other's eyes filled with love. They go to the evening beach with sunset glowing down where they share a romantic kiss. They are blessed to find each other.